check in on this property. This is that one that has the 0 corner slider. I just want to see how it was coming along. Boy, this is gonna be nice. Big open area. There's that 0 corner. Beautiful. I can't wait till we see the pavers done out there. Let's check out what it looks like with these big windows now. It's nice. Here's the master. Boy, this is really turned out nice. Big, huge window. Very nice. I'm gonna have a great view of the lake. Good sized room. I like how they did this bath. Little window at top. Big, huge shower. It's going to turn out really nice. They're going to be painting in here tomorrow. So we'll definitely start seeing it coming along. But beautiful.